Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have an Amazon unboxing here. This is a big paint set. This is an acrylic one. It has 24 different colors. They are non-toxic, easy to blend. Let's see, 10 brushes, 1 sponge, a mixing scraper, which is a palette knife, and then 1 paint palette, 2 small canvases, and 1 board brush. So they are all of the supplies that are included. And the brand is Emooqi, which we have tried out a lot on this channel. I really enjoy their products on Amazon. So again, off on the side there's a little sponge, the palette. I really liked the bigger brush up top there. That was really nice too. Very soft. And the palette knife was really good quality. It wasn't flimsy at all. It was nice and sturdy. And also they included this big pack of all different types of brushes, and it says the different sizes on the back. There's 10 brushes, and some of them were the script, the round, a chisel, a flat, angular, a glaze mop, a bigger one to do bigger washes, the filbert, one with an angle like a dagger. So those are just some of the brushes there. And for price, this set was $25.99. I will have links down below if anyone would like to purchase the set from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead here, and I wanted to show a few different colors here, so I was trying to think of something to do. So I decided to do a little abstract demo here. I'm just going to use some complements. So we're going to do the purple with the yellow, and then the blue and the orange. And I did put a few pieces of tape down, and then I'm going to paint in between and then add some layers to see how well the everything layers together. And it's pretty much just like any other acrylic paint. You can do 2 layers most of the time. The first one is a bit see-through, so you can double up, and as you can see here, they are very vibrant and everything goes on nice and smooth. Nothing is watery. It's a good consistency. While I'm showing the demo through here, I'm going to go ahead and read some of the colors. So there is titanium white, beige, vermilion, this is like a yellow ochre, crimson red, scarlet red, cobalt blue, Prussian blue, orange, see a primary yellow, lemon yellow, emerald green, black, gray, a silver. Ooh, a silver and a gold. I didn't even see that before. That's really nice. They included some metallics in there. Burnt sienna, burnt umber, raw sienna, violet, hooker's green, viridian green, cerulean blue, and French ultramarine. So there's definitely a wide variety to choose from. And again, that was 24 colors. And for the next demo here, I'm just showing some of the greens and a simple little cactus here in a pot. Overall, I think this is a great set for beginners if you're looking to start out with some acrylic painting, because it has a little bit of everything in here. You get your paint, your brushes, a palette knife. There's definitely a lot included in this set. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.